Guess what came in? Roller clutch. Overdrive. It goes right here. The part that exploded and went all through this transmission. Yay. And it's already broken. God dang it, guys. Let's see if we can fix that. Okay. This goes in here. Looks similar. Two that are reversed. That doesn't even fit in there. All right, back half is in. I've got the two bolts started here. I have pulled and reassembled this back section 4 to 5 times to make sure everything is right. Followed the video, go back and forth. There was one part where there was I don't know what you call it, not a bearing, but something like that. And video had it, this didn't have it. Turns out anything past a certain date for transmissions, they had built the clearance into the clutch drum, and you don't need it. And I spent 30 minutes with that. So anyways, I'm very confident in the back side. Now to build the front side, I do got to torque those down quick and then start the next part. Boy, oh boy. And I find out that the one part I need won't be here till tomorrow. So, yay. Today, we're going to build a transmission tool. I need to be able to press transmission parts on the transmission I'm rebuilding. So I need to create a tool. And I was like, you know what? I think I know how to do this. Trace. I'm going to do line. Check. Yep. Now we're going to throw in a hole for some bolts. That's a little bit big in diameter. Dial her back. Oh, we better change that a little smaller. And that is a 30-second cardboard template converted. It looks terrible. It looks terrible, and I'm going to show the internet. Keep, so we're going to save, rename. Rename, come on. There we go. Now we can cut it out of a piece of steel, which we'll use right here. Change over our head. Unplug. There's our head. And of course, the regular turn air compressor on. Well, that's going. Go over here. Building mounts for the shipping container for my knee wall. Safety first. We got that'll clear. That'll clear. I gotta build a holder for this. And go home. Look at it, even got the jaggedy lines from me drawing. Oh, you got the hammer. Why do you do that for? And there's my very crusty tool. We'll let that cool down, make some more cuts. All right, I finally got the transmission back together. It is off the workbench. I am ecstatic. I didn't record all of it. I got the key parts, but what happened is it took me 2 weeks. 2 weeks to get all the parts. I had a planetary gear bad. I had to get some new bushings, some other stuff. It was more than I thought broke in there. But anyways, here's our new torque converter. I did put a deep pan, 6 extra curts, so she got more cooling capacity. It's the cheapest deep dish pizza pan around. So at this point, it's going back in. I tested everything I could. Line pressure blew. All the valve bodies are working great. Tolerances are, I love them. I love them. So now, install. That's what I'm going to do. Cheat the system. Gonna be golden, boys. I do have to switch these 2 bolts out quick. This one's in the wrong spot.
Guys, all types of treasures. If it was me, I'd power break it, but he's rolling thunder. Wheels go round and round. Nice lockout. She's a gem. Powered by Cat.
Golly, that's a good feeling, man.
Going on Barrett Jackson next week.
Yep, just got done doing the SEMA restoration. As in, seems to work.
Yeah.
It's 54 inside here, 16 overhang. So she's 56 and change. 33-foot trailer. I mean, there was already straps on here. I just took them off before the camera. I wouldn't just run 1.5 straps. Huh. Dang good spare tire.